Again, good morning to you guys. Ending the year 2023, entering year 2024. Tomorrow will be the January 1st. I just did my apology introduction in my previous message. This is my channel's Science in Command. Today, my topic will be why humans see green and red color on a privilege. Like, why do you see the traffic lights are in green and red? Why do you see the plane lights, the right side and the left side, which is in terms called port and starboard? Starboard is the green side, which is right, and port is the left side, which is red. Why do they display the color red and green? Why the planes, they display their colors on the wings ends red and green? So the reason is eye. Our eye, we have a pupil, and eye is a camera. Camera captures the light and send the electromagnetic signals through the different wavelengths to the brain, through the nerves, and it goes to the optic nerve and go to the brain, and brain processes, and you see the picture. I don't want to go into that detail. The objective is, why do you see color? So in your pupil you have a layer which is called rod. Rod is a portion, or is a scale, or is a it's a skin of cells which can only which is basically the vision is the straight line, which is basically from here, and it has a specific path looking in the front. Then you have the cone. Cone is basically, if that is an eyeball, I will bring a ball. Hold on just for a second. So if this is the ball, and around that is the skin, which is called cone, right? So all the cone is just then connected to the optic nerve, and all the jelly type cells are microcells. They are connected like in a jelly form around the eyeball, and in the front, if you see this, it will be the rod. Now the purpose, and when you see, from your eye, you will see the area, this area you can see, and that is with the reason that you have cone around that, and it takes the eye reflects, the eye take the light, and it processes, and the portion which processes is called cone, and it is broad. But the eye, which is the center, which is called rod, is just the focus. So the rod can only see in the night, can only see, it's for the night vision and for a narrow passage. But the cone, which is a broad spectrum, which looks at the broad spectrum, it looks in the daylight, and the daylight it distinguishes the colors and all that. So in the night time you don't see color with the cone, with the rod. Rod doesn't see any color, but the big guy, the sitting up, Almighty has given the properties in the rod that it can only detect two colors, which is red and green, other than which are little purple, they are little vague, but red and green are the two colors which are visible in the night. So that is why the traffic lights and the car lights are red. The traffic lights are green and red. So in the night, if you can see far from far, the red light, the plane lights, the ship lights, that is the reason. But as soon as you travel into the daylight can see all the colors. So then you can see around that, and in the evening you can see different colors like purple. So that is the reason you can see the different two colors through the rod in the night, and no any other color, which is only a tunnel. It has a very narrow passage, but the cone, which is around that, I told you, it's a jelly-type nerve system, and it takes the message from the light and turns into electromagnetic waves and send the message to the optic nerve to the brain, and then it processes there, and then you can see the night. In the night, the red and the green color. So that is the reason why you have the traffic lights red and green, plane lights right side, left side, and the ship lights right side, left side, red and green. So I just wanted to share this information with you. I don't want to go into detail. So yeah, and now my next version in Urdu will be coming. So I'll be keep on updating you. Please, if you like my video, please share, like, and subscribe. And this is Obaid Barla, Science and Command, my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. You take care. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.